topic we now going to discuss is acceleration. So acceleration is what? It is the time rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. Now acceleration means how much change in velocity is occurring with time. This will give us acceleration. This is again a vector quantity. Unit of it is meter per second square, and its dimension is m0 l1 t minus 2. These are the dimension of it now. So its formula is change in velocity by change in time. Unit is meter per second square. Dimension formula is m0 lt minus 2. It's a vector quantity. Now acceleration is change in velocity, where velocity can be positive, negative or 0. So similarly we can say acceleration can also be positive, negative or 0. Positive acceleration means velocity is increasing. 0 acceleration means uniform velocity is there, means velocity is not changing, that is constant. Negative acceleration means velocity is decreasing with time, and this is called retardation. An example of the positive acceleration: suppose a motorcycle, suppose a rider start the motorcycle from rest and kick it, and the engine will get start. With the time it start increasing velocity, its velocity will get increased. So we can say this is the example of positive acceleration. And example of negative acceleration: suppose a rider is moving on a bike, suddenly something come in front of that bike, that the rider has to apply brake. In that case acceleration is retardation actually, because its velocity was high, but as he or she applies brake, then its velocity decreases. So that is the case of retardation. So 0 velocity. And now if we talk about average acceleration, it's what? a1 t1 a2 t2 by t1 plus t2. How we can say that? As if we want to find average acceleration is what? Total velocity by total time taken. So say if v1 is a1 t1, from the formula v2 is equals to a2 t2, by substituting the value in this we get a1 t1 plus a2 t2 whole divided by t1 plus t2. This is a average. Now again, instantaneous velocity for the acceleration. If we talk about acceleration for very small interval of time, we know that acceleration is dv by dt. If again we talk about acceleration at particular interval of time, then delta t approaches to 0. In that case it will become dv by dt. So instantaneous is equals to dv by dt. So this was about acceleration.